How to find tracking number on FedEx. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would be learning how you can find tracking number on FedEx. So FedEx, as we all know, is transportation company usually used to transport package from one place or the other. And so for you to be able to find your tracking number, you can do a number of things. The major way is by checking your receipt or your email confirmation. Now, if you recently shipped a package through FedEx, you would receive a receipt or email confirmation. So all you need to do is to go to your email. You can decide to go to your email through your web browser to your mobile phone. As you check your email, go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon after you've gone to FedEx website, all right? And then on the new tab, enter in the search box and enter in your Gmail inbox. Then once you've gone to your Gmail, it will load and you would see all of your inboxes being displayed. So amongst the inbox here, you can just go ahead and search out an email from FedEx by typing out FedEx. All right. So you'll see all of the messages that you've received for FedEx. And by the time you click on it, you would check out the one that is a receipt or a confirmation email. It would also be indicated there. And so after selecting that, you would see your tracking number being listed there together with details about the products that you've just shipped. So that is it. And then if you still cannot find your tracking number through this method, the second thing to do is to contact FedEx customer service. And how do you do so? Easily, without having to go to the website, you can just click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and in the search box type out FedEx customer service. And as you can see the number of the customer service being displayed. So you can just reach out to this number, make sure you call this number, settle your complaint, and you would be directed on what to do. So this is how, or these are the ways whereby you can you find out your tracking number. And by the time you scroll down, you can see different blogs about customer support of FedEx, right? So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.